Hi everyone, this is Jordan J. I thank you for clicking on this video, and I want to welcome you to the first video on Oregon Trio Association's Guide to ChatGPT. Now, we have been hearing about an interest to learn more about what ChatGPT is, how it works, the pros and cons, and how it will continue to make an impact on Trio professionals and their students. So we hope to use these series of short videos to answer all of those questions and more. To begin, ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language model. It is by a company called OpenAI, and it was released only 1 year ago. ChatGPT is an AI that's trained to understand and generate human-like text. This makes it very useful for various tasks. Now, accessing ChatGPT is simple. To start, you'll want to head over to your browser, go to your search engine, and you can just simply type in ChatGPT or OpenAI. Once you click on the website, you'll be brought to this screen. Here you can log in, and to sign up is just as simple as using your Google account. So they make it really easy and accessible in that way. And we will continue with Google here. And I'll click on my account. Then you'll get to this screen where you can utilize the ChatGPT program. Professionals in Trio programs can leverage ChatGPT in a multitude of ways. From drafting outreach emails to creating content on social media, ChatGPT definitely helps to streamline your workflow. Now, students can also benefit from ChatGPT as well. They can utilize it for study aids, essay drafting, and even learning new languages. And at the same time, it is important for students to understand that they must ensure academic integrity when using ChatGPT. Well, that's all I have for this video. I do want to keep these short and in bite-sized chunks, so the information I provide is not too overwhelming, and we can go through it all step by step together. We're excited to bring you more tutorials on making the most of ChatGPT, and please stay tuned. Share with us which features you're curious about or any specific questions that you may have, and I want to thank you for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button on YouTube so you get the updates right away, and we will see you in the next tutorial.